C2 and I'm Nova. Our group members are Johnson, Banjong, Mellia and Pavithra. Today we are going to present our ideas and recommendations regarding on how PeopleUp adopt big data to leverage the business performances. Before we get into the topic, let me briefly talk about what we will cover in this presentation. We will introduce mobile application and the technological advantages with each relevant example. But before moving to that, let me introduce about PeopleUp and their value proposition. PeopleUp is a multi-enrichment playground that was founded in 2018, which offers various curriculum. The vision of PeopleUp is to offer varieties of fun, innovative learning, enrichment, and entertainment opportunities for children and family. And its mission is to seek many talents in order to inspire excellence and natures for future generations. And their value proposition is for parents having kids from 5 to 12 years old who want their kids to improve in physical strength. PeopleUp offer many curriculum that help the children to improve their multiple intelligence, especially bodily kinesthetic, by allowing them to build athletic prowess and improve their mobility movement. So now my fellow member will introduce the technology that will be used in our mobile application.
Hi, I'm Johnson Lee and I will be in charge of explaining the technology usage and the technology advantages in increasing revenue. Intelligent technology is a new system that can adapt to various specialization activities depending on the programming mechanism. In our future app, one of the technologies that we use is Big Data. Big Data is a set of numerous data compilations that will grow bigger over time. One of the ways to use big data in our application is the app will gather the information that the parents fill in the apps about their kids' details and use those data as our reference to recommend the most suitable curriculums, and it will also recommend popular classes that are based on the most picked classes according to their kids who have the same age and interests.
Hi, I'm Mellia and I will be explaining about the mobile app that we create for PeopleUp using the big data technology. I will be explaining some of the features of the mobile app. Firstly, once the parent download the app, they need to set up an account. They will need to fill in few information such as their children's age, name, interests. Once completed, the app will recommend the parent classes that are suitable for their children based on the information that they fill in. Secondly, under the Home tab section, popular lesson will be recommended based on their interests and age, and My Classes tab as a reminder for their kids' upcoming classes. Moreover, there will be a notification tab where parents are able to receive the latest updates on what's going on in PeopleUp. Furthermore, under the Booking tab, parents will be able to book the desired classes online. Lastly, under the More tab, parents will be able to set up their children's profile, looking at their children's performance, and contact PeopleUp if necessary.
Now, I and my teammates will explain in the technology advantages. Firstly, increased revenue. Big data can make recommendations that leads the company to perform better and can enhance the personalization experience for the customers through the data that has been collected. Personalized recommendations such as popular activities that are interconnected to their kids' interests in the PeopleUp Press application will result in PeopleUp reaching the right target customers, increasing sales, and be good for business growth. One of the real-world examples that have already adapted big data to provide personalized recommendations in the education sector is Stanford University. This university is using Coursera as a platform to build personalization programs for the students according to their attention, which successfully increased the number of participants from 400 to 100,000 students. One of my teammates, Jong Yi, will continue in the explanation of how big data can save the company costs.
Thank you, Johnson and Banjong. And I will be explaining how big data on the app will be able to help companies save costs. According to a Business Application Research Center survey report, most of the businesses in the North America and Europe that adopt big data are able to reduce their cost up to 10%. So, one of the ways that PeopleUp could reduce cost is by utilizing the space. The app allows parents to book their children's class sessions at specific time and location. PeopleUp can identify demand by picking up frequently books by customers and optimize class schedule, which will decrease labor costs, increase the efficiency of space, and lead to increase in profit. In addition, most universities have successfully used big data to increase their efficiency, which lead to decrease in their costs. One of the universities that have successfully done this is Texas State University. State University uses Simultaneous Learning, which is an app that optimizes and manages registration. They even plan scalable classes for students due to increase in enrollment numbers. As a result, 3 administrators were needed and it only took them 2 days to manage registration and schedule classes.
Hi, so today I'm going to explain about how we can improve customers' experience. So firstly, PeopleUp Press, they actually have this performance tab for parents to track their children's performance rate. So by posting children's videos, photos and everything in the application, it helps parents to see how their children progress, and it creates a strong communication with their children through this. So for our real-world example in this section, we have actually used collaborative filtering way, where a similar app is being used in internationally and also locally in all childcare centers. So how that happens is teachers would post the children's activities and everything in the app for parents to see, and when parents like the activities that their kids do, they comment below at this section, and it's also a form of feedback that they provide for all the staffs at childcare centers. So this is how they know about whether their child actually likes the certain activity conducted and everything. This is how, you know, they contribute to helping improve customers' experience through the parents' feedback. So the app that uses real-world example in this childcare is Story Park. It has received many positive feedbacks from parents, which actually contributes to improving in the customer's experience. We believe that since we have an existing application already in Singapore, in the school named Primer Schoolhouse, that helps to improve customers' experience, we believe that PeopleUp Press having similar app like this will allow our customer experience to always be in the improvement section. So this is also backing our app's performance tab and improving in overall. So in conclusion, implementing PeopleUp Press using big data helps to monitor kids' progress, like viewing performance, booking classes and collecting feedbacks. With real-world examples from all the other slides above, we are able to support PeopleUp Press to be more efficient, like improving parents' experience, save costs and increasing the revenue.